gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you the November Diva bag by Sonya. Now, Sonya's a month behind, but that's okay. Like I always say, as long as I get the bag, I'm good with it. So without further ado, let's see what I got in the November bag. Okay guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the Diva bag by Sonya, this is a monthly beauty bag that you get for $12 a month. And honestly guys, Sonya kills it with this bag. She puts a lot of fun stuff in there that you absolutely would never see in any of the other beauty bags. And a lot of times she includes things like full-size products and palettes. I mean guys, $12 a month. I mean, that is the deal of the century. So if you guys are not familiar or haven't seen the Diva bag by Sonya, make sure that you check out her website. I will have a link in the description box below. Okay guys, so here's my bag. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh guys, I already see a palette. How exciting. All right, let's just start digging in here, but I wanted to see if there was there is a card. Okay, so she does have a card with this one, and I'm not really sure. Okay. Oh. Well, it says, well, Diva, I'll keep it short and sweet. For 4 years, I set out to bring fun and joy to women everywhere by arranging for a small bag of goodies to arrive at doorsteps every month. I spent lots of time and money to make it a hit, and my greatest reward was always reading the blessings and encouragement from each of you. That's so cool. Unfortunately, the past few months have brought the closing of my daycare, cancer in my home, and the need to prioritize my time and take care of my family. I love and appreciate each of you. This will be the last month for now. Who knows what the future holds? The online boutique will remain open as I look to clean up my house full of inventory. I pray God's unsearchable blessings upon you and your household, and thank you for your support and belief. Until we meet again, you are amazing, Sonya. Oh, so I didn't know. So unfortunately, due to all of the situations that she explained in here, she's going to have to discontinue her bag. Guys, this one was one of my absolutely favorite bags. So you're still able to shop on her boutique online. She does have a lot of cool items on there, so I definitely link that in the description box below. But I am so sad that she has to stop doing this, but I hope and pray for the health and wellness of everybody in her family. Family is far more important than anything else that we do, guys, so we have to make sure to prioritize them first. So I understand why she has to discontinue the bag, but I hope at some point in the future she's able to do that again. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at what she has in the bag for this final month that I'm going to receive. This is, yeah. So what do you call these? Razors for your eyebrows. Yeah, guys, I definitely won't use these because I am, negative. I'm just a nervous wreck when it comes to that kind of stuff. So this will probably go in a future giveaway, or maybe I'll give it to my niece who isn't afraid to use stuff like that. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, this is to hide your bra straps. So those come in handy. That's nice. I feel like, yeah, there's 3 in here, 3 different ones. So that's pretty cool. I will definitely use those as well. Although I rarely show like a ton of skin, but I don't like my bra straps showing. So if I can prevent that, then I will definitely use these. So that's awesome. Oh, I'm so bummed about that. Oh man. Okay. So, ooh, look at this. This is super fun. So we got some tweezers, guys, which are fine, but they have a nice comb on the end of them. Check out that comb. That is so cute. So I'm always down for some more tweezers, guys. So I'm definitely excited to have these. Those will come in handy. Looks like we have some little itty bitty samples. What do we got here? It's called Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. So we have that. Okay, I'm definitely excited to give that a go. Doesn't feel like there's a whole lot in there, but hopefully it'll be enough to cover my face. And then we have a Time Wise Moisture Renewing Gel Mask from Mary Kay. I don't know, maybe I should show it to you guys this way. So I did get a whole bunch of samples of Mary Kay similar to that, and I put them in advent calendars last year. This is Tenacious Crisp Vanilla. Okay, so this looks like it is a perfume. I don't do perfumes, guys. Let me open it for you, show you what it looks like on the inside here. I don't do perfumes. I only wear Cotton Candy by Body Fantasies. I will never change unless they stop making it. And if they do, I'll just find something else, probably from their same line. But I will probably put that in a giveaway or give it to my sweet friend Kim, who loves perfumes. Okay, so what else do we got here? What is this guy? Shadow Light and Brow Contour Mousse. Cocoa. Okay, let me show you guys the box here. I'm not sure what a contour mousse is, but guys, this looks like a full-size product, 1.5 grams. That's pretty awesome. Let's open this up here and see what we got going on. Okay. Oh. So here it is, guys. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to touch it because this could possibly go in a giveaway, so I'm not going to touch the inside. See, watch me, guys, not touching it at all. So I'm going to go ahead and package it back in there because I'm not sure that that's something that I will use, but it's very cool, so that's awesome. And then we have an itty-bitty lip gloss by Mary Kay. Yes, this is like similar to the little samples that I got online. I was like, wow, you get a lot of them, but they're so dinky tiny. So honestly, these little lipsticks are probably at least 2 uses, which is really cool. Ooh, I just dropped it. Okay, did I drop something else? I felt like something else fell, but maybe not. She always includes candy in her little bags, which is so super fun, and I always eat the candy, and then I always want to buy a whole bag of whatever candy that she put in there. So there's that, and here's the palette, guys. So let's see what she stuck in here for me. Oh, so pretty. Clean color. Look at that, guys, from the outside. And I'm going to pop it open for you guys. Wow. My girl Lois would probably love this. There's a lot of pinks in here. Lois would probably love this palette. Look how pretty that is, guys. I am super stoked. I mean, this would be perfect for springtime, I think. So I'm really excited to give this a go. Yay. All right, guys. So that wraps up my Diva bag by Sonya. I think this was the month of November for me. I think she was a month behind, but yeah, I am so disappointed that she's discontinuing this bag, but I totally understand her reasoning for that. So I may replace this bag with another inexpensive bag next year, being that I won't be getting this one anymore. So we'll have to see. My lineup so far is BoxyCharm and Ipsy for sure. Obviously, the selfie box is a no-go because they just stopped sending boxes and just took everybody's money and never sent them anything. Awesome, right? So I'm definitely not going to renew the selfie box. But I would like to have something else in my rotation, so I'll have to think about it, and maybe I'll add something else, being that Sonya is no longer going to have her bag. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!